How many methods? How many methods having in a Selenium WebDriver? Having WebDriver, mainly WebDriver. So, okay. Our answer is there is a total 13 methods in Selenium WebDriver. There is a total 13 methods. How many methods are there? Total 13 methods are there. All are abstract methods. These all are abstract methods. Okay. So, and after that they are asking what are they? They are asking what are they? And before that we need to create a object as a WebDriver is a mainly interface. WebDriver is a interface. WebDriver we can make it as object as driver equal to. We can't create direct constructor to interfaces. So we are going through the child classes. What are the childs of WebDriver means? There is a lot of childs. One is Chrome driver is a class, and Firefox driver is a class, and Edge driver is a class, and Internet Explorer is a class. So, based on these things, we are moving for the new Chrome driver. Now, this program will be, here is the constructor, not it is a method, it is a constructor. What is this constructor property means? This line was opens the browser. What is the property of this line? Opens the browser. And after that, coming to methods. Method number 1. Method number 1 is, the method name is get method. Method name is get method. What is this property means? Mainly this get method was used to navigate the web pages. To navigate the web pages. Web pages using URL parameter. When I am giving some URL links to this method, it will be opens the page. Syntax is following. Example, syntax is driver dot get https www.google.com. Okay, this is the syntax of get method. And after that we have a navigate method. Why we are using this navigate method means, before get is only opens the one URL. There is a no history. No history concept. Okay, only it was opening. So to overcome this drawback, there is a navigate method also. So it will, why we are using means, to navigate the web pages. So here also we are using URLs. And what is the example, like syntax? How we can use means, here I am going through the example. Driver dot navigate is a command. Navigate is a method, and this navigate was using one command. The command name is to command. In this two, we are going through the qualified URL. Okay, these are the commands. There is a having further commands. Back for backward purpose we have a back command, and forward purpose we have a forward, and refresh purpose we have a refresh also. Okay, these are the two methods. Mainly, there is a interview question. What are the methods having to open the URL? So we need to say in Selenium they have two methods. One is get method and second one is navigate method. Both methods are using for navigating the URLs. And what is the difference means? Get was opening only one URL at a time, but navigate was having backward and forward and refresh options. This is the difference. And again, they are asking that what are the verifying the page commands. Verifying the page means we can verify. One is, third method is, the method name is get title method. Okay, why we are using this get title method means, to reads the page title, page title. What is that page title? It should be written. Here it will follow some syntax, and these two methods are void type methods. Directly there is no directly returning. There is a non-returning purpose. And get method we need to return. So the return type is string. So how we can go through the syntax means, here example, string title equal to driver dot get title. If we need print the title, there is a printing statement, that is nothing but a system dot out dot println title. Okay, this is the third method, and we have a fourth method as well. So the fourth method is get current URL. So this is also coming from the string return type method. Which return type it is? String return type. So what this functionality of this get current URL method means, it will use it to read the URL of the page. It reads the URL of the current page. So example, we can use it string URL equal to driver dot get current URL. Okay, this is the syntax. If you need a print, system dot out dot println URL we can print. And the fifth method is get page source. This is also coming from the string return type. And here it reads the source code of the page. Okay, and here we are going through the example. We can make it as a string source equal to source means nothing but a source. I am giving simply driver dot get page source. Okay, these are the first basic commands, first basic 5 methods. Okay, once move on the further methods. Okay, anyone take a photo? And furtherly we have another methods. The further methods are sixth method. Sixth method is nothing but a get window handle method. What is this get window handle method means? It is also string type to read the window address. Nothing but a which window it was handling. So the syntax is string window equal to driver dot get window handle. Okay, and another thing is it can handle only single window. Okay, and again we have a can I have please? Okay, and furtherly we have here is the single window, we can handle it a get window handle method. And there is another method is seventh method. The method name is get window handles. So this is also return type is string, but here we can follow some syntax. Why we are using means to handle the multiple windows, windows. Okay, and here it will follow the separate syntax. It was coming from the in collections. It was using set interface, and here the vapor class it will going through the string, and we can make it as a name as there is a window. Here is the windows, and mainly in generally we are seeing in your programs it is also known as child windows. It is also known as child windows. Here we are following the direct method driver dot get window handles. Driver dot get window handles. Okay, and we can make it if we need a how many windows was opened. We need a how many windows. We need to know about that how many windows was opened. We can make with a size method. Which method it is? Size method. Just go through the windows dot size. Size will be reads the count. It will give the count how many windows was opened. Okay, and eighth method is find element method. Method name is find element. Okay, this find element method, here the return type is web element. Okay, how we can handle this web element, like why we are using this method means to handle the web elements, Here example, the syntax follows that there is a direct method and we need to initialize the web element. Now here I am going through the actually syntax is web element object equal to driver dot find element by dot locator. In the bracket in the parameter was going through the locator expression and close and semicolon. This is the syntax for handling the web element, and after that this method can getting the only web element. This method getting only web element, and there is a web element. They have a lot of comments. Like if we need to click that web element, we have a element dot click, and if we need send any keys to that element dot send keys. Okay, if we need another one is if we need to clear that existing content, we have a element dot clear method. We need to clear. Okay, these are the methods having it further. Okay, this is coming to the find element, and here is one interview question. What is the difference between get window handle and get window handles? Okay, the difference between means if we need a handle single window, we are using get window handle. For handling multiple windows, we have a get window handles. Multiple windows handling purpose, we have a get window handles. Single window purpose, we have a get window handle. It can get in the all child windows also. It will get in the parent separately. We need to separate the parent. We can use get window handle. Why we are using this method means we are seeing in the there is a one concept how to handle multiple windows. In that time we can go through this both methods. Okay, and already find element is nothing but to finding the web element. In web page, let us see example. This is the Google page. This is the web element, and image also web element. There is a Google search box is a web element, and there is a languages also. In web page, whatever the elements contain, all elements are known as web elements. So we have a countries and states and villages and mandals and divisions, but the elements have a locators. They have 8 types of different locators. Using these locators, we can find in the elements. This is the by with using by class, and getting as per location we are getting the answers. Okay, and furtherly in locator sessions, what are the 8 locations we have, we can discuss. Okay, this is the find element. This is the syntax. This is the comments, and there is another comment element dot submit also one comment. Okay, these are the comments we can handle in the web element. We can handle the web element. And before handling the web element, we need to know what are the ape locators and what are the ways to inspect them. Okay, and take a photo. Okay, and then furtherly we have a ninth method. Ninth method is nothing but a find elements. Find elements. Okay, find elements is a method. This return type also web element. So it will getting the multiple web elements. Okay, why we are using means to reads the multiple web elements. To reads the multiple web elements. Here it was follows some syntax. Example is it will follows from the list, and here is before that we are seeing the window handles are return type is string. So we are going with the string is the reference class. Here we are returning the web elements. We are returning the web elements. Web element. So before that we are going through the just element. Here is the elements. Elements equal to it will follows driver. Here I am going to driver dot get window handles, not handle, handles. Just see before that we are using find driver dot find elements. Okay, before that we are seeing the web element le equal to driver dot find element. Here we are seeing that list of elements equal to driver dot find elements. Here we are going through the by dot locator expression. Why I am giving in double quotes means because the expression is a string type. Now we can get how many web elements we are handling. Just go through the elements dot size method. Elements dot size method we can get easily. Okay, this is the why we need to handle this multiple web elements. Why? Because here is a one application. The application name is Myntra. The application name is Myntra. It will contains that one is a men and one is a woman and one is a kids. Okay, this box is known as desktop navigator. In page this box is known as desktop navigator. Client was asking how many modules having in the desktop navigator. We need to handle multiple elements. We need to show in the automation script what is the size. Manually we know there is a 3, but automatically how we are getting is using this syntax and we can get the elements. Not at all for Myntra, even Flipkart we have, Amazon we have. How we can using this thing means we can go through the practical executions. Okay, this is coming for find elements. And again 10th one is we have another method name is manage method. Method name is manage. What is the method name? Manage. So manage is going with the void type. And why we are using this manage? To manage the window, and timeouts and cookies also. So window management purpose. Here I am taking just example purpose. I am giving how can you manage window. There is a syntax example. Driver dot manage is the method. Manage dot window. Here I am managing the window. I am managing the window maximize. I am managing this window. I am telling the one command. Please maximize the window. In orally I can tell anything. Computer not accept. When I am giving this code, when I am giving the driver dot manage window maximize, the page should be maximized. And the 11th method is switch to method. Method name is switch to. What is the switch to? Switch to also coming under void type. When we are used means to switch from one window to another window. Like we can handle using the switch to, we can handling alerts, windows and frames. Mainly we can handle this type of things. Okay, now let us see how you can handle the window. Here I am going through the example driver dot switch to dot. I am switching to the here I open one tab. This is the tab number 1. I need to switch to second tab. Here I am going through the syntax is driver dot switch to new window. The window type is if I need to go through the tab, I am going through the tab. This is the syntax. Okay, this way we can use this switch to method. Okay, and after that we have a please take it. So again we have a method name is close. What is the method name? Close. The return type is void. Why we are using this close method means to close the window. Yes, we need to see a difference. What is the difference between close and window? Okay, here example we can use driver dot close, then the window will be closed. And they have a 13th method. The method name is quit. It is also coming from the void method. Why we are using this quit method means to close the, it is also using for close the window. So and driver dot quit. Okay, now here is the interview question. What is the difference between close and quit? We need to say to close current window. We are using close method. To close the whole windows or all windows, we are using quit method. This is the interview question. Okay, these are the 13 WebDriver abstract methods. Okay, first these all are syntaxes. When we are getting these methods based on our scenario. So ఈ మెథడ్స్ అన్ని చదివి మన సినారియో ఏంటి, మనం ఏం వాడాలి. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్లోజ్ చేయాలంటే ఏ మెథడ్ వాడాలి, నేను driver dot close చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ దగ్గర నేమ్ రాయాలి, నా నేమ్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఏ మెథడ్ వాడాలి, ఏ కమాండ్ వాడాలి, సెండ్. ఒకవేళ నేను ఒక సబ్మిట్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి, ఏ కమాండ్ వాడాలి, సబ్మిట్ అనేది ఒక ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అనే మెథడ్ వాడాలి, సబ్మిట్ అనే కమాండ్ వాడాలి. నేను ఇప్పుడు URL ఓపెన్ చేయాలి, ఏ మెథడ్ వాడాలి, గెట్ మెథడ్ వాడాలి. నేను ఇప్పుడు విండో మ్యాక్సిమైజ్ చేయాలి, ఏ మెథడ్ వాడొచ్చు, నేను ఒక విండో నుంచి ఇంకొక విండోకి వెళ్ళాలి, ఏ మెథడ్ వాడొచ్చు, ఓకే. ఇలా మనం ప్రతి ఒక్కదాన్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేసుకోవడానికి మెథడ్స్ లో హ్యాండిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇంకొకటి ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఊప్స్ ఎలా ఫాలో అవుతా ఉంది మన ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో అంటే ఇలా మెథడ్స్ ని కాల్ చేసుకుంటా ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి. సో మీరు మైండ్ లో ఫిక్స్ అవ్వాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ఆల్రెడీ సెలీనియం వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేసి ఉంటారు. ఏ దాంట్లో వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేసి ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసినారు. ఆ ఫోల్డర్ నేమ్ ఏంటంటే ప్యాకేజ్ అంటారు దాన్ని. వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేసిన ప్యాకేజ్ ఏంటంటే r.openqa.selenium అనే ప్యాకేజ్ నేమ్ ఏంటి, ఇది ప్యాకేజ్. సో మనం ఏ దాంట్లో నుంచి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం, డాట్ క్లాస్ నేమ్ కూడా రాయాలి కాబట్టి వెబ్ డ్రైవర్. సో ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ నుంచి మనకి ఇంపోర్ట్ అవుతా ఉన్నాయి. ఇది ప్యాకేజ్ నేము, ఇది వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ అనే ఇంటర్ఫేస్ నేమ్. సో మనకి మెథడ్స్ అన్ని ఎక్కడ నుంచి వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి, ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ నుంచి వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉంది, సెలీనియం వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంది. మనం సెలీనియం జార్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని రాయాలి. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ హౌ మెనీ మెథడ్స్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ they, and what are they. This is the concept. Okay. Why we are using this web driver driver equal to new from driver? Concept. Why? Because there is a no concept interface directly. We can't create an object. So we are approaching the subclasses. We are approaching the subclasses. So using that line of code, we can open the URL. Okay. So after that, we have a navigate method to open, and to get the title, we have a get title. To get the URL, we have a get current URL. To get the window handle, we have a get window handle. To handle the multiple windows, we have a get window handles. To handle the multiple web elements, we have a find elements method. So there is a methods. We need to study the all syntaxes, and why we are using that methods, we can implement in our automation programs. Okay, that is the way.